back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today we are doing another What's for Dinner video. You guys really love these. It was highly rated on what my videos I should film next, Paul. And so we are starting off with a bean burrito casserole bake that I found on Pinterest that I really was not a fan of. I took some really lean ground beef, which could have been my fault, why it didn't taste good. And then I used some onion. I sauteed all that up together. And let me know below if you would have changed some things and tweaked some things. I put some taco seasoning in this. This is Taco Bell. And then the sauce I called for was a can of cream and mushroom soup and some sour cream. I know it sounds super weird, but that's what the recipe called for. Once I got everything sauteed up, I did add a can of refried beans and incorporated that and warmed it up on through. But if you guys have any ideas, you guys are really awesome about telling me what to do to make recipes better or trying things different, and they really help. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. Next, I took a little bit of that soup and sour cream, some flour tortillas, and started making my casserole after the tortillas. I did a couple layers of the tortillas, and then I did the meat mixture with more of that soup mixture with some cheese on top. It just wasn't my vibe. I just didn't really like it that much. But yeah, like I said, let me know. Or if this is something you think you would absolutely love, go ahead, try it. It just wasn't my jam. But we did have some pork chops with shake and bake, which I do love. They make me think of being a kid. This one is the extra crispy one, which I will say was a little bit too spicy for my girls, but I loved it. And then we had it with some of the Nora rice sides. You guys know how much I love these. This is the yellow rice one, but if you guys do not like cilantro, this one is not for you. I hate cilantro. I should have read the back. You see those little devils in there, little flakes of them. But my kids and my husband loved it. I did not. So this is my husband's plate. I just had a pork chop with applesauce and lots of green beans. This night we ended up having a burrito bowl. I love these. They're so satisfying and so good. I just browned up some lean ground turkey with some dark red kidney beans. Got that sauteed, put a little bit of seasoning and tacos seasoning in it, and then I just cooked up some more of those Knorr instant rice sides. This is my favorite. I talk about it all the time. This is the taco rice, so good. And created my bowl. I just mixed that with some cheese and some avocado, and this was so yummy. I love this meal. Highly recommend it. We make it pretty consistently. And then on top of it, just to add a little kick, I did use some of this Tabasco chipotle pepper sauce, one of my all-time favorites. We always have it on hand. The next night, I tried out Instant Pot and almost died. Not really, it was easy, but I was so scared I was gonna blow up the house the whole time. I made a chicken tikka masala recipe, which I wasn't the biggest fan of. I'm so particular when it comes to my Indian food recipes, and I just didn't love this one. But I did love my Instant Pot, so I do recommend it. I will leave the link to the Indian recipe or the tikka masala recipe below if you guys want to try it. Just was my favorite. I did, however, love these stone fire naan dippers. They were so yummy and so like soft and fluffy. Oh, so good. The last night we had these sweet Hawaiian sliders buns. We made little turkey and cheese and cranberry sliders. Oh my gosh, so good. These ones I really like because they're already pre-cut and pre-sliced, and I am terrible at cutting them, so I don't have to massacre them. I just made the sauce that goes over them with some butter, some I think like stone ground mustard, some garlic, some Worcestershire sauce, some honey. I'll leave the link to the recipe below if I'm forgetting everything, but I just melted all that and stirred it up till it got a little bit thicker. So yummy. Put a little bit on each roll. And then I topped each roll with some cheddar cheese, some turkey, and then I personally love cranberry sauce, so I put cranberry sauce on mine, but my husband and kids are not the biggest fans of it, so I left theirs off, and then topped a little bit more of the sauce. Oh, these were so good. Melted them in the oven. Highly recommend. I love trying new slider recipes. And that will be it for this video today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more of these. I try to film one at least every week or every other week and get one up for you guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.